Today we're gonna build a full Instagram carousel designed, written, and exported in under 2 minutes. Today, most of the creators are spending 30 minutes to an hour dragging boxes around in Canva, or some of them are using some AI SaaS to create their carousel creative, which they could be saving this $30 per month that they are paying for those platforms. So today I'm gonna show you the tool I created to generate all my 3 social media carousels, and all for free, okay? So I'm just gonna leave the link as usual on the first in the description, and then you can just go there and download for free, okay? So let's go. All right, so let's do it. So we are here on the project folder, right? So you can just open an empty folder and start it from there and download the assets that I'm gonna leave on the first link in the description, okay? I'm gonna leave there inside the Claude.md as well as this create carousel skill. All right. So for those that don't know what is the Claude.md, it's basically a context that we give to the AI every prompt we send. Okay, so everything we write here, whenever we hit enter, this Claude.md file, so all this text here, we go together along with the text of the prompt. Okay, and this skill will be evoked whenever the AI thinks it should be evoked. So for example, if I say here that I want to, let's say I want to create a carousel, it will already know that I want to call this skill, okay? So you don't have to actually just come here and say /create carousel. The AI has the power of knowing whenever the skill needs to be triggered, okay? Cool. All right, so here is the whole skill. You can have a look if you want. There are some things that you're gonna have to change. For example, the colors here. Okay, I will actually ask just in terms of demonstration here for you guys. I'm gonna ask the AI to change the skill a little bit to adapt the demonstration. We're gonna do it here, and this assets folder is for you to add all the assets that you want to be in the carousel. So if you want like a template based carousel, you can put all the assets, all the images of the template here and ask the way you want to be designed. If you already have a picture of the template you want the carousel to be made, you can simply take a screenshot of your template and just drag and drop to the AI. So if we get an image here and drag and drop here, so we have this image 1. So this image 1 will go along with the prompt. Okay, so then the AI will know, you will see how your template is, and then we'll copy, right, to reproduce that template. Okay, cool. So at the moment we have this corner bottom left, this corner top right, and this logo. So if you see, they are different colors, right? So we have this purple, we have the blue, light blue, and we have this blue. Okay, I'm gonna ask the AI to focus more in this color, in this purple color, and let's see what the results will be. Okay, so let's go. So I'm already here on Claude. If you're not on Claude, let me just clear here. Just say Claude, and Claude Code should come up. If you don't have Claude Code installed yet, don't worry. I'm gonna leave a card here on top, so you can just follow 3 minutes video tutorial to install Claude Code. Okay, so let's go. I'm gonna say, please create a carousel for my 1-person business Instagram. I want you to find a trending topic and create a 7 slides carousel from this topic. Please use the colors of the logo, purple, and add it along with the other assets images inside assets folder. Okay, so one thing, you don't have to write this every time you want to create a post. Okay, I'm just writing here because I want to show you guys how to set up a post. Okay, so what you have to do is, once you have everything set up, so you have all your assets, you know all the colors, the first thing you have to do, so let's say you just downloaded my skills, so this skill and this Claude.md. The first thing you're gonna do is this, is what I'm doing here. So you wanna make sure that the AI will follow your assets and your colors, all right? So, so here I have assets folder. So let's say you don't create assets folder, you create like image folder. Then you have to say here, oh, I want you to change the skill, the create carousel skill, to use the image folder that contains all the assets that should be on every image of the carousel, right? So for for example, like that. And then you can change the Claude.md as well. So just read through the Claude.md and this skill, understand how it works, and do the necessary changes. Okay. All right. So let's hit enter and let's see what is the output. All right, so it's done, and it created this out carousel and AI agents replace your team folder. And inside we have all these 7 carousel slides. And this name of the folder is probably because the AI picked this topic, because I asked the AI to get a trending topic, which is really cool. So it created this one. And if you will see the first slide, we have 5 AI agents that replace your entire team, right? So it added the assets that I asked for, that I asked it to add. It's actually this blue, as I said before, and this light blue. And just so you see how good is the AI, it could change to purple, because I said that purple was the color that I wanted to change. It's my theme color, right? So I asked to put purple, and even though this is blue and this is light blue, the AI managed to change it to purple. So you see how powerful is the AI, right? And here on top, we have the number of the page. So we are number 1 of 7. And we have the headline here, the swipe to see the next page. And then the page 2 is really, really cool. So we have this dark purple background with this asset again. Purple, and we have this number 1 here, very nice, with the title and the body here. So slide 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one 7 with the CTA, with the call to action to say for later, asking a question for your followers to respond, and some other things, some other CTAs here. So yeah, really, really cool. This is very customizable, so you can change the way you want, right? You just need to do the change here. You can do it manually, or you can just ask the AI to do the change for you. And same for the Claude.md. Okay, cool. I hope you like it. If you want, in the future, maybe next class, I can teach you how to, after you finalize creating the post, you just review, and you can send directly to Instagram as a post. So you don't have to send it to Drive, for example, then download, then post it manually. You can you can post it directly from here, from the AI, from this comment line. Okay, just let me know, just comment and give me your thoughts. If you didn't understand something, let me know and I can help you out. Okay, cool guys, hope you like it. If you like, thumbs up, subscribe for more AI and business content, and I'll see you on the next video.